Hello friends, today in this video I review on iPhone 12 Pro. So please watch this video till the end and please like this video and subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon for more interesting videos. Impressive for sure, but is this the smartest choice? The iPhone 12 Pro is here, and after living with it for a fairly decent amount of time, I think it's time to answer that one burning question. It worth it? Apple has made choosing between iPhone models even thought this year by introducing four new models, all sharing similar specifications and features but are at vastly different prices. In India especially, the price difference between the iPhone 12 series and the iPhone 12 Pro series is massive, and that's a whole separate discussions. As a long time iPhone 12 Pro user, I was curious to see how much Apple has improved in the new iPhone 12 Pro, because I'll be honest, I was not exactly blown away during its announcement. The new SoC, tweaked cameras, and fresh design were all accepted upgrades, and it will take more than that to make someone shell out 1,99,900 for it. In my opinion, let's break it down and see if it makes sense choosing the iPhone 12 Pro over the lower price iPhone 12. iPhone 12 Pro pricing and variant. The iPhone 12 Pro cost quite a bit more in India than in other regions, including the US. The iPhone 12 Pro starts with a 128 GB variant, which is priced at 1,99,900. The 256 GB storage variant will cost you 1,29,900, and the top and 512 GB variant will cost you 1,49,990 rupees. That a pretty steep price for any smartphone, and keep in mind the iPhone 12 Pro Max is even more expensive. This is before you even add things like Apple Care Plus and accessories. The iPhone 12 Pro is available in four colors, of which the Pacific blue shade is new and is my favorite so far. iPhone 12 Pro design and display. Apart from the new color, the iPhone 12 Pro has flated stainless steel frame, whereas the rounded sides of every model since the iPhone X. It's a big change, but not something we have not seen before. Apple first used a flat frame for the iPhone 4 and stuck with it all the way to the iPhone 12 5 iPhone 5s before switching to rounded sides. Love it or hate it, you will have to get used to this design for at least the next few iPhone generation. After 2 weeks of uses, I will ground customs to the iPhone 12 Pro. It comfortable to hold and a tad easier to grip the iPhone 11 Pro in my opinion. However, it's nearly impossible to keep the glossy from smug. Free wheel stainless steel should be a lot more durable than the aluminum frame used for the regular iPhone 12. The same cannot be said about the paint job. After an accidental fell from just a couple of feet onto a metal railing. My iPhone 12 Pro has permanent battle scar on its chin. The finish is clearly not a resistant as the metal frame itself.